Hey guys, welcome back to the channel and welcome to the last great Coliseum. We are here at Bristol Motor Speedway for the last day of Powertour. A little bittersweet, but you know, look at this beautiful Z. Ooh, absolutely gorgeous. I want one so bad. But yeah, last day of Powertour. So let's see what shenanigans we get up to today. Let's go. We found a little something already.
Absolutely hilarious.
Like a Catfish 50 Chevy. I don't know. It's awesome. And here we are coming out towards the track. Dude, this place looks cool. This is my first time here. I've always seen it in NASCAR games and everything, but dude, it's awesome. I'm always walking in. So cool. Oh, walking down the banking. Look at the difference. This isn't even in the middle of the corner. This is just coming onto the track. Man, look at this place, dude. It's crazy. Absolutely wild. Absolutely wild here. It's so sick. I cannot wait to come to a race here, dude. I cannot wait. We're gonna climb the bank, and it's crazy how banked this is. Oh. 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 Jesus. Oh, God. We were just down there. Now we're up here. It's crazy, that transition from like flat ground to this is crazy. Absolutely wild. So we found our way to the autocross and did that for a little bit and walked around a little. Then we found our way to the top of the stands. Not the top, but pretty high up. And dude, look at this view. This track is so cool. Cannot wait to get to a race here eventually. Be absolutely insane, especially on the dirt. Such a cool track. I forgot to record an outro, but throw a little bit of extra autocross footage in here. It was super cool doing this whole power tour thing. I mean, we had a complete blast, and you know, you never get to do shit like this ever, so it was just really cool to be able to go and do. Last day, you know, like I said, bittersweet, but we did it, and we made it the whole way. Still got a few more Power Tour videos coming out from a little bit of bonus stuff that we got up to. But that'll pretty much round out our Power Tour footage. I didn't record anything day 4. Wasn't really much going on, but there will be I think one more video with a little bit of dirt racing and a little bit of legends racing that we went and saw while we were in the area. But yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.